Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxed. Today we have the Granit XP 1990 IXR from Honeywell. We're really pumped to take a look. Let's check it out. Wow. So first touch, just rock solid build quality. Very nice looking, kind of those classic Honeywell red and gray or red and black colors as well. You can tell this is not your general use barcode scanner. This thing is meant to take a beating. So let me clean off this desk and we'll dive into it a little bit further. So one of the things that I noted in Honeywell's materials is that the scan window is a common failure point. So what they've done, and we'll try to get you a really nice shot of this, is they've really deeply recessed the scan window. It's very small, it's protected, and it's sealed. The Granit XP 1990 IXR is noted for its extreme performance scanning. That's both 1D and 2D barcodes. It's suited for near-field scanning, so things that are really close by, and has an extended range. For UPC barcodes, it's up to 5 feet, and for 100 mil codes, it's all the way up to 33 feet. Yes, it's built for harsh environments, all the way down to 22 degrees Fahrenheit, and all the way up to 133 degrees Fahrenheit. So beyond its ability to withstand harsh temperatures, it also has an IP67 rating for dust and moisture. Couple quick things on the software and utility front. Honeywell has an operational intelligence software that will give you analytics, or scanalytics if you will, to help increase employee throughput. And then equally as importantly, they have something called the SMU, or Scanner Management Utility, that will help you update your barcode scanning fleet. So instead of having to go one by one manually making updates, you can do them all in one swoop. I think you probably have to put it in your paws to fully appreciate kind of the build quality and the ruggedness factor. So next time you see the Honeywell team out at, at an industry event or a trade show, go and check it out and pick this thing up. Thank you again to the Honeywell team for sending the Granit over to us to have a look at. And until next time, this has been Unboxed.